What if creating cinematic AI videos wasn't about jumping between 5 different apps anymore? Imagine generating visuals, syncing them perfectly to music, editing everything in one timeline, and exporting your final video without ever leaving the same platform. That sounds ambitious. So today we're putting Kaiber AI to the test to see if it actually delivers on that promise. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been following the explosion of AI video tools lately, you've probably noticed one thing. Most of them are really good at generating clips. But once the generation is finished, you're usually forced to switch to another editor just to finish your project. Kaiber is trying to change that. Instead of being just another AI video generator, it's designed as an all-in-one creative workspace. So let's jump in and see what it actually offers. Right away, Kaiber has a very polished look. The homepage focuses on one idea: 3 tools, 1 workflow. And honestly, that's probably the biggest selling point here. Instead of separating AI generation and editing into different platforms, Kaiber combines everything together. From what I can see, the workflow revolves around 3 main tools: Canvas, Cuts, Editor. Each one handles a different stage of the creative process, but they all connect together naturally, making the whole experience feel much more streamlined. Let's start with Canvas. This is where the creative process begins. Instead of opening multiple AI generators, Canvas gives you a single workspace where you can generate and organize your visual ideas. Whether you're creating AI images, AI videos, or experimenting with different creative directions, everything stays inside one project. One thing I really like is that it doesn't feel like you're constantly starting over. You can keep building on previous generations, remix ideas, and organize everything visually instead of digging through folders. For anyone brainstorming content or exploring different styles, that's a much smoother experience than constantly opening separate AI tools. The next tool is Cuts, and this is probably one of Kaiber's most interesting features. Instead of creating videos one by one, Cuts is designed to automatically generate multiple video variations from your media. Even better, it can sync those visuals with your music automatically. That means instead of manually matching every beat in your editing software, Kaiber handles a lot of that work for you. If you're making music videos, short-form edits, visualizers, or social content, this could save a lot of repetitive editing. It's a workflow that's clearly designed around creators who regularly publish visual content alongside music. Finally, there's the built-in editor. Normally, after generating AI footage, I'd export everything into Premiere Pro or another editing software. But Kaiber lets you keep working without leaving the platform. You can arrange clips on a timeline, adjust timing, edit your sequence, and fine-tune the final result before exporting. That means fewer downloads, fewer uploads, and a much faster creative workflow overall. It's a nice touch because it keeps everything connected from idea to finished video. After looking through the platform, one thing becomes really clear. Kaiber isn't trying to compete by offering just another text-to-video generator. Instead, it's building an entire creative ecosystem. You generate inside Canvas, turn those ideas into multiple video variations with Cuts, then polish everything inside the editor. That connected workflow is what makes the platform feel different. Instead of treating AI generation as the finish line, Kaiber treats it as the beginning of the creative process. Now let's talk about pricing. Based on the pricing page, Kaiber offers a few different options depending on how often you create. There's also a 5-day trial for $5, which gives you full access before deciding on a subscription. The starter plan costs $10 per month and includes 500 credits, 1 Canvas workspace, and basic editing features. The creator plan, which is marked as the most popular option, is $29 per month. It increases your monthly credits to 1,500, unlocks premium AI models, commercial use, multiple Canvas workspaces, Cuts features, and unlimited timeline edits. For heavier users, there's the Pro plan at $99 per month, offering 5,000 monthly credits, unlimited Canvas projects, more batch generation capabilities, and additional workflow features. And if you're running a larger studio or agency, Kaiber also offers a custom visionary plan with unlimited credits and dedicated support.